back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my top 10 red lipsticks that are easily available in India and are suitable for all Indian skin tones. A red lipstick gives you a really nice and a fresh makeup look even when you do not have a full face of makeup on. A red lipstick can just brighten up your face. I'm going to share with you 5 drugstore and 5 high-end lipsticks that are easily available in India, and I'll be sharing with you the arm and the lip swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with today's video.
I'll be talking about my drugstore picks first, and the first one I'm talking about is the NYX Full Throttle lipstick in the shade FTLS01. It's a beautiful deeper red, kind of a burgundy shade, and it is a matte finish. It can be a tad bit drying, so you definitely need to put some kind of a lip balm or Vaseline underneath this, but it does look really beautiful and it's a perfect Indian wear shade. And the next shade I'm talking about is Color Bars Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Hearts and Tarts. It's a beautiful, cooler toned red lipstick and it looks really nice on all Indian skin tones. It also is a matte formula, but it's not a very drying kind of a matte. It's pretty comfortable on the lips and lasts really nicely for around 4 to 5 hours. My next pick is Maybelline's collaboration with Gigi Hadid. This is the shade Austin and it is such a beautiful red. It looks absolutely stunning on all Indian skin tones. It also is a cooler toned red, but it is such a super comfortable formula and it just glides onto the lips and looks absolutely stunning with any kind of an outfit. Next I have L'Oreal's Pure Red Star collection, and I have the shade which was represented by Frida Pinto. This one is called Pure Rouge and I just love this shade. It's such a beautiful red. It has tad bit of an orangish undertone and looks absolutely stunning on all Indian skin tones, and it lasts really beautifully throughout the day. And my last pick from the drugstore is Maybelline's Lip Gradation in the shade Red 1, and this is a crayon type of a lipstick and super easy to apply. You do not really need a lip liner or anything. It applies really beautifully and very accurately, and it's a beautiful matte formula again, but very comfortable on the lips. It has a tad bit of that powdery formula and looks and feels really beautiful. Coming on to my higher end picks, my first pick is Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Ruby. It is a beautiful red. It's a warmer toned red and looks really nice. The formula on this is also a matte formula, but it can be a tad bit drying, so you would really need to prep your lips well, but once applied it lasts really beautifully throughout the day. It will not move even after you eat or drink, and it will last you a good 7 to 8 hours. My next pick is from Ofra. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Atlantic City. I have this one in an older packaging because I've had it for quite some time. This is a beautiful bluish toned red and it's a cooler toned red and super easy to apply. It is a super comfortable liquid lipstick. It does not dry out your lips or make them look chapped or dry, and it lasts beautifully for around 8 to 10 hours. The next one on my list is Dior's Rouge Dior in the shade 964 Ambitious Matte. It is a beautiful deeper red shade and the formula on this is super comfortable. It's a matte finish, but it does not dry out your lips at all. It just glides onto your lips and stays comfortable throughout the day. It will last you a good 6 to 8 hours without any touch-ups, and it would suit women of all ages, all skin tones, and it would look absolutely stunning with all kinds of Indian outfits. The next one on my list is Bobbi Brown's Crushed Lip Color in the shade Punch. It is more of a tinted lipstick and has a really comfortable balmy formula and just glides onto your lips. It gives a really nice tinted kind of a red shade to your lips and looks really natural, just like your lips but better, and it suits all skin tones and would look absolutely stunning on you. And my last pick would be Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in the shade Heartbreaker. It is a beautiful liquid lipstick. It's super comfortable on the lips. The formula on this is very liquidy and very thin formula, but it dries on to be a completely matte lipstick and looks absolutely stunning on all Indian skin tones. It is not a very bright or a very dull kind of a red. It's just the perfect in between kind of a red. It looks stunning on all Indian skin tones. It would look absolutely beautiful with all kinds of Indian outfits.
And that's it for today's video, you guys. I shared with you my top 10 red lipsticks that are available in India and are suitable for all Indian skin tones. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them for you guys. If you do, please show some love, support my channel, like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.